Hello, my name is Krupal and my register number is UA16CS113, and today we are going to see the pointers. Means it's basically a 1D array. We are going to calculate the address of those, and after that 2D array. We are going to create a two-dimensional array, and we are going to calculate the addresses using the row measure and the column measure also. First we will see the one-dimensional array. Here I created a one-dimensional array with a maximum size of 10, and I gave the values of it. And here this IO stream is nothing but it's a header file which is a input output stream where it gives the basic functions like cout, and using namespace standard it helps us not to use every time before cout and all. And this int main is where we are putting our work, and here I initialized it with the first value as I is equal to 100, and this star p asterisk gives the value, and ampersand gives the address. Here this star p is a pointer, and star pp is also a pointer which can indicate a pointer. And here I am giving the value of p as address of I and pp as address of p. Now here we can see here cout I means it will give the value of I, and p which is nothing but ampersand I will give the address of I, and it will be in hexadecimal. So I am converting it into decimal by using long int, and after that this pp is nothing but the address of p. We will get the address of p here. Here I did not convert it, so you can see the result in hexadecimal. Now I will show it. And here is the asterisk p. Asterisk p is nothing but the value at p, and asterisk star p is nothing but the value at pp. And after that ARR is nothing but the basic value, the base value. We will get it as 100, we will see it. And next ARR of plus 0, or else you can write it as ARR of 0, means likewise like. So you will get the value. This is nothing but this is a of 0, and this will be a of 1, and this will be a of 2, and the next 400 will be a of 3. Likewise it will go. So this now ARR of plus 1 will be 200. It will give the address, and here you can see the star here I gave. So here we will get the value. So we will see the answers now. Oh, I think I have some wrong. Yeah, now it will be correct. Likewise you can see this, and after that here I am giving for I of 0, initializing it with 0, and less than 10, it's giving the condition and increment by plus 1. I am getting the value of address of each value here. That is nothing but you can see here that thing, and I converted those into decimal. And this is how we do the pointers. And next we will go to the two-dimensional array. This is the 2D array. Here the same thing again, include namespace standard int again. Here I am universally defining the row value as 3 and column as 4. You can use it anywhere in the program. So now in my function, in my int main, I am giving the program. Here I am defining a two-dimensional array called as marks with row and column. So for a user freeness, you can give the values. I am giving the values like this. And now I am initializing it with I is equal to 0, less than row condition, and increment by plus 1. And I am giving a nested loop. J is equal to 0, j less than column, and j plus plus. Here what happens means when I does one time, this will do which is less than the column times. Basically the remaining 4 times means this likewise. When the I runs for one time, the j will be running for 4 times. Likewise for second time 4 times. When third time it will come 4 times. So in total we are getting the 12 items here. Now I am printing all those 12 items with 0 1. Likewise here first I am printing the address here using the ampersand, and next I am using the row measure method which can be given by this formula base address plus I into column size plus j, and the number of digits means the character size. You can see the formula here. I am directly giving it in the output. So here what happens means we will get the output here. Likewise, means I'm giving directly here. You can see the long int of marks plus I into column. This is the formula. Using this formula we can calculate manually, so we will see the output. You can see here the address of the element 10, and using the row measure it will be the same, and likewise everywhere it will come the same using the formula, and uh, we can get it directly using the ampersand, and the same way we can do for the column measure also. So this is how we calculate the row measure and column measure, and thank you. That's